Good morning, everyone. Dito yung lola niya. Ang lolang gala. We're doing van life all the time. This is how it looks like when you're doing van life every day. What a mess. Where are we? We're in the just my windows open. So anyway, just woke up. So we wake up. We have to organize all these things. I just changed my clothes. What a mess in my. I need to organize here. And I don't have my tripod because that one is broke. The tripod just broke. So we're gonna do small tripod. It broke. So anyway, it's the life of doing van life full time. Everything is you have everything if you're doing van life. That's right. It's like this. You sleep in the truck stop, gas station, casino, race area, or in the park. That's how you sleep. Where's the tree? So here in California, sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's cold. Like yesterday, it's so hot, so humid. And then this morning, it's cold. Goodness. I sleep over here in the casino area, their gas station. That's the good thing in here in the casino. So I sleep outside the parking, and then when it's really hot, I park in their casino garage. So I leave my van over there. So I stay cold. I stay in the shade. And then I go hang out in the casino and just walk around in there. And sometimes they give me free play. Or sometimes there's nice people. They hit the jackpot. They give you $100. And it's really nice. It's good people. Then I play. I have to organize my my band because it's sorry. It's so messy out here. Look at this clothes. towel is still wet. Oh my god. So in the casino gas station, they have a small food area in there, and they have kinds of coffee and tea, a lot of pastries, donuts. Like they have hot dog, tamales, anything, nachos, like snacks. So, and then if you're not in the budget, you could go inside the cafe in the casino, which their croissant in there is $7.50 for it's a big croissant. And then there's small coffee, or like I love I like to drink the chai latte. That's $4.95. So you're if you're gonna go to cafe inside the casino, at least you have $20. That's so expensive. Now if you go to the gas station, the coffee over there is $2.59 for small, and then the donut maybe $2.50. So you got $5 coffee and donut. But if you wanna just free, you go to casino and add some coffee, tea with lemon and honey, hot cocoa with cream, coffee with cream for free, or any kind of juice for free. But the cup is just not, it's not like that before they put it in the glass. Now it's in the plastic cup. So anyway, this is my morning routine. Like, so anyway, yeah, if you're gonna doing van life, make sure you're ready and you research where nice to sleep and comfortable. So I've been doing van life full time for 5 years, so I'm enjoying it. And since I'm doing van life, I'm not really stressed. I'm not stressed at all. Not like when I'm living in my kids' house. Like when you wake up early in the morning, the sink is full. Even you wash already at night. When you wake up, there's a lot of dishes to wash. But we have a dishwashing machine. They cannot rinse it and put it in the washing machine. They just pile up in the they just pile up in the sink. So since I'm doing van life, I could do whatever I want. I could sleep all day if I want. When I wake up, I have a nice view. Not like when I'm living in their house, like you have to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning, take the dogs out, then clean the house, cook. So living by myself, doing van life, oh, I enjoying it. It's freedom. It's my freedom. So I'm just gonna hang my towel. still wet. So I have this is my clothing rack, so I hang my clothes in here. So that's how I hang my with towel. There. It's so hot last night, so I since I have a short hair, so 1 gallon of water, I take a shower. I have a bucket and I just shower here inside inside the van. Not shower. I just wash my hair, just sponge my body. Well, then I go outside in there and I could wear a shirt and a tank top and I just wet myself. And nobody around me in the side. Nobody could see me. That's when it's really hot. You know, I don't want to sleep sweating. Well, I have electric fan. I have my electric fan, but when it's humid, electric fan is not working. So I wet myself. And that's it. Put my clothes. So if I park over here in the gas station, I'm not covering my front area, my windshield, because I'm covered in the back. And I'm safe over here. They have security guard that drive around in here, so it's safe. And they have a lot of cameras, so it's really safe. Oh, this it helped me really good. Like when I have I'm bloated, like I eat some food that is not really it's not much. I really bloated, so I use this clove. I chew it for 2 cloves. I chew it, so my heartburn and I'm bloated up. After a few minutes, it's gone. So I'm gonna put this for 3 days in here, and I'm gonna drink it. Supposed to be I'm boiling it as a tea, but this time I just put it there, and I'll drink it this today or tomorrow when it's really soaked. I'll just leave it there. So that's the story. So I'm so thankful because all my my medical test have become normal, so I'm not taking any medication. I said I don't. My diabetes gone, my high blood pressure's gone. See, since I'm doing Ban Life, my freedom, all those things is gone. I said my liver's gone, no diabetes, no high blood pressure, my liver's gone up, good. My what else? My kidneys good. So I'm really grateful for that. So I'm not taking any high blood pressure medication and diabetes medication. So that's what I do. I just hiking most of the time, walking sometimes, but mostly I hike. Like I go to the park and hike over there, like in Whitewater Preserve. I hiking over there early in the morning. I love camping because when I go camping, like so walk around back and forth from my table to my van or to my tent, bring my stuff to the tent, back and forth every day. That's exercise already. So I think, yeah, that's a miracle that my high blood pressure and my diabetes is gone. So I'm really grateful for that. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Maybe you guys, I'm just beginners in YouTube. I have a YouTube channel long time ago, but since I got monetized in Facebook, so I said, why not? Why not be monetized in YouTube? So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.